Yo, I just went to the grocery, I bought something, and we are going home now. Yeah, we are going this way instead of using the usual way. If you can see this court, this is a netball. The same like basketball, but there's no board. Yeah, we are home. And these are the things that I bought from the grocery. Mixed marinara. Yeah, basically frozen seafoods and sunflower oil. Yeah, because one of the comments said that the canola oil is not healthy. I don't know. And mushroom and cream and garlic. Yeah, that's it. I have here some extra money. These are tips. 50, 60, 70, $80. $80 tip. I don't know if it's 1 month or 2 months. I don't know. Yeah, chef gave that to me 2 days ago. We're going to make this pasta. This is actually made in China. Yeah, it is written here. I put some cheese. Then let's see. I still have around 30 minutes to start my duty. In Australia, it's like this. You stay in the vicinity like this, nature, beach. But in the city, yeah, you stay in the crew area or in the street. Yeah, nothing much. Those two lorikeet, nice. Being here by you. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we are going home now. I finished my duty at 2:35 when I signed out. Yeah, I started at 6 o'clock. To me, and you'll always be eternally. Yeah, to be honest, I am tired. Yeah, very busy. We did the 176 today, breakfast buffet. But I am very much prepared, so I was running because I want to finish everything, because I also need to do the lunch service. Yeah, you're such a special girl to me. You know, I've been tempted to eat in this Thai restaurant for a long time. Yeah, that restaurant may be there for around 3 months already. Yeah, but you know, I don't know where to keep my bike. Yeah. Where to leave my bike. 4:25. I wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. I set my timer from 4 o'clock, 4:10, and 4:20. Yeah, on the first alarm, I wake up. I only wake up really early when I am working on a breakfast, 6 o'clock. Giving 2 hours allowance instead of giving just 30 minutes or 1 hour, because I really want to be awake. I mean, really want to be awake before going to work. I don't want to be in a hurry. I don't want to be rushing. I want to be ready, ready for work. But I feel bad. You know, I regret it when I sleep late and waking up early. No, no, that's not like that. But yeah, I regret it when I sleep late, and I love it when I wake up early. You know, so the problem is sleeping late. Till I feel that time is rushing, days is rushing. Yeah, I just had my days of 2 days ago, and then breakfast yesterday, breakfast today, tomorrow work, and then day off again. Yo, good afternoon, guys. We're going home now. We just stop here just to show you this place. At the moment, there's no so much people. Yeah, there are a dog and a lady swimming, and there's a couple, and that's it. Yeah. Oh, not busy in the place again anymore. Yo, good morning, guys. Yeah, I'm having my breakfast. Actually, okay, my meal. Because I wake up at around 6, 7 o'clock, and I had my coffee. At the time now is 9:16, and I'm having this. Yeah, this is pork. I cook it like 3, 4 days ago, or maybe 1 week, because I put it in the freezer. And now I reheat it and just add some shrimp paste, and it's like this. It tastes delicious. Maybe not looking good, but it really tastes good. And I'm having this yeah, while browsing the web. It's super messy in this table. Good morning. Oh, we're just going to have a look here. It's really beautiful looking this time. Yeah, the guy is fishing with the boat is steady on there. Really nice. The water is really clear. Yeah, you can see it from up there. It's really beautiful. Look at that. You can do a time lapse with that, and it's really beautiful, really. Yeah, there's a couple on that side with their dog. Okay, we go.